Ever wonder why your paycheck seems to disappear faster than you planned? You budget, you mean well, but somehow impulsive spending sneaks in. Today, I'll show you a simple path to intentional spending so your money supports your life instead of slipping through your fingers. Welcome back to Doctor Banknote Explains. I'm here to break down money psychology and banking insights in a way that's easy to follow. In this episode, we'll talk about 3 episodes to master your spending. Number 1, track your triggers. Number 2, creating a joy-based budget. And the third, using delayed gratification to build lasting freedom. By the end, you'll have a toolkit to shift from reacting with your wallet to spending with intention. Let's start with tracking your triggers. We all have impulse spending patterns, late night Amazon scrolls, stress-fueled shopping trips, or treating ourselves when bored. These moments don't happen randomly. They're triggered by moods, environments, or habits. If you don't identify them, you'll repeat them. Take Ashley. She noticed most of her impulse buys happen at night after long work days. Once she saw the pattern, she started putting her phone in another room at night. That one changed her $200 a month. Doctor Banknote tip. Try this. For 1 week, write down what you bought, how you felt, and what was happening around you. You'll see patterns fast. Now, let's flip the script. Instead of cutting spending to the bone, create a joy-based budget. This means allocating money toward what truly enriches your life and cutting back on the things that don't. Most budgets feel restrictive, but when you give yourself permission to spend on joy, you feel empowered, not deprived. Now you love coffee shop, lattes, but really use the gym membership. Instead of cutting coffee, he reallocated the money from his unused gym fees to guilt-free lattes. Suddenly, his budget felt sustainable and fun. Dr. Banknote tip. Action step. List your top 3 spending categories that bring joy. Then cut or reduce the things that don't. That's your joy-based budget. Finally, let's talk about delayed gratification, the art of waiting for the bigger wins. Research shows people who can delay gratification build stronger savings and wealth. Why? Because they choose long-term gain over short-term thrill. When you delay, you give your brain time to cool off and your wallet time to breathe. Monica wanted a new tablet. Instead of buying immediately, she waited 30 days. After the month passed, she realized she didn't need it as much as she thought. The $400 she didn't spend, she used it to boost her emergency fund. Dr. Banknote tip. Use the 30-day rule. If it's not a necessity, wait 30 days. If you still want it and it fits your budget, then buy it. If not, congrats, you just saved money. When you track your triggers, design a joy-based budget, and practice delayed gratification, you create a powerful spending system. You're no longer reacting, you're choosing. And that shift leads to intentional, sustainable money habits. If this video gave you a new perspective on spending intentionally, smash that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to Dr. Banknote Explains for more psychology of money tips, and let me know in the comments what's your biggest spending trigger. To wrap it up, intentional spending isn't about perfection. It's about direction. Track what triggers you, budget for joy, and wait for what matters. Remember, every dollar has a purpose. Make sure it serves yours.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.